Birth of a black hole. Black holes begin their life in the heart of massive stars. When such a star runs out of nuclear fuel, gravity wins. The core collapses in on itself, triggering a supernova. What's left behind can be so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape its gravity. That's the birth of a stellar black hole. Anatomy of a black hole. A black hole isn't a thing. It's a region of warped space. The center, called the singularity, is a point of infinite density. Around it lies the event horizon, a boundary you can cross in, but never out. Time and space flip roles inside, and the laws of physics as we know them break down. Types of black holes. There are three major kinds. Stellar mass black holes, formed from collapsed stars. Intermediate mass black holes, rare and mysterious. Supermassive black holes, millions to billions of times the sun's mass, sitting at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. There's even a hypothetical class, primordial black holes, possibly formed after the Big Bang. Feeding and growth. Black holes aren't cosmic vacuums. They only devour matter that crosses the event horizon. But when they feed, they shine. Matter spiraling into a black hole forms an accretion disk, heating up to millions of degrees and emitting X-rays. That's how we spot them. Over time, feeding and merging with other black holes help them grow, especially in the early universe. Black hole mergers. When two black holes spiral into each other, they merge into a larger one, releasing gravitational waves, ripples in space-time. Detected for the first time in 2015, these waves confirmed a century-old Einstein prediction and opened a whole new way of observing the universe. Hawking radiation and death. Stephen Hawking showed that black holes aren't truly black. They emit faint thermal radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. Over time, this Hawking radiation causes the black hole to lose mass. Eventually, it could evaporate entirely. But for stellar or supermassive black holes, this would take longer than the age of the universe. Legacy in the cosmos. Black holes sculpt galaxies, shape star systems, and may even seed new ones. They're cosmic paradoxes, destroyers and creators. The deeper we look, the more we realize they're not just ends. They're part of a cycle bigger than we can imagine. Outro. If black holes blew your mind today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite black hole fact in the comments. Who knows? Your question might be the seed of our next video. Until then, keep looking up, just not too close to the event horizon.